In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Canva website after publishing. If you've already published a website with Canva and realized you want to tweak some text, swap out images, or refresh the look, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through opening your design, making edits confidently, and republishing so your live site updates seamlessly. First, open Canva. Head to the Canva website and log into your account. Make sure you're using the same account you originally used to publish the site, so all your designs and publishing options are available. Next, open your website design. From the home page, go to Projects or Your Designs. This is where all your saved work lives. Find the design you published as a website. It will look like a regular Canva design thumbnail. Click it to open. If you see a prompt to edit, you're in the right place. Once the design opens in the Canva editor, you may be asked to click Edit Design. Go ahead and do that. This puts you directly into editing mode, where you can update content just like you did before you first published. Now, make your changes. To edit text, click any text box and start typing. Keep an eye on headings and body text for consistency and readability. To replace images, select the existing photo, then choose a new one from your uploads or Canva's library. You can adjust cropping and positioning to keep your layout clean. If you want to update the visual style, change colors or fonts from the editor so your design stays on brand. And if your content has grown or needs simplifying, add or remove sections or entire pages as needed. Feel free to rearrange elements to improve flow and make the site easier to navigate. When you're happy with the updates, it's time to republish. Click Share in the top right corner of the editor. Select Publish as Website. Then click Publish again to confirm. Canva will process your changes and push the updated version live. The best part is that your existing website link updates automatically after you republish the design. That means you don't need to send a new URL or change any links you've already shared. Anyone visiting your site will see the latest version right away. And that's it. Open Canva. Access your design. Click Edit Design if prompted. Make the text, image, color, font, or section changes you need, and republish through Share, Publish as Website, and Publish again. Your live link stays the same, and your site stays current.